Phonics World. Level 5. Phonics World. Level 5. Letter Combinations. By Kai Schwirmer, Julia Chang, and Craig Wright. Published and copyrighted by Oxford University Press. Disc 1.
Let's sing the alphabet, A, B, C. Can you sing the alphabet from A to Z? A, B, C.
A, B, C,
D, E, F.
D, E, F,
G, H, I.
G, H, I,
J,
J,
K,
K,
L.
L,
M, N, O.
M, N, O,
P, Q, R.
P, Q, R,
S, T, U, V.
S, T, U, V,
W, X, Y, Z.
W, X, Y, Z.
Now we know the alphabet, A, B, C. We can sing the alphabet from A to Z.
Page 4. Unit 1. A, R. A. Listen and learn.
This is a car. What's the ending sound in the word car?
R,
That's right. R. Car.
Page 4. B. Listen, point, and read. 1,
R. Car.
R, car,
2,
F. R. M. Farm.
R, M, farm,
3,
R. K. Park.
R, K, park,
4,
St. R. Star.
St, R, star.
Page 5. C. Listen, point, and read. 1,
Cap. Car.
2,
Fan. Farm.
3,
Pan. Park.
4,
Stamp. Star.
Page 5. E. Listen and chant. Then read.
Car, farm, star, park. Car, farm, star, park. Car, farm. Car, farm. Star, park. Star, park. Star, park. Car, farm. Star, park. Car, farm. There's a car at the farm. There's a car at the farm. And a star in the park. And a star in the park. There's a car at the farm and a star in the park. There's a car at the farm and a star in the park.
Page 6. I-R, U-R. A. Listen and learn.
This is a bird. What's the middle sound in the word bird? That's right. Bird. This is a nurse. What's the middle sound in the word nurse? That's right. Nurse.
Page 6. B. Listen, point, and read. 1,
D. Bird.
Bird.
2,
Girl.
Girl.
3,
Nurse.
Nurse.
4,
Purple.
Purple.
Page 7. D. Listen and write. Then number. 1,
The nurse has a purple hat.
2,
The girl wants to be a nurse.
3,
This is a purple bird.
Page 7. E. Listen and chant. Then read.
Girl, purple bird, nurse.
Girl, purple bird, nurse.
Girl, purple.
Girl, purple.
Bird, nurse.
Bird, nurse.
Bird, nurse. Girl, purple.
Bird, nurse. Girl, purple.
The girl takes
The girl takes
her purple bird to the nurse.
her purple bird to the nurse.
The girl takes her purple bird to the nurse.
The girl takes her purple bird to the nurse.
Page 8. E-R-O-R. A. Listen and learn.
This is a teacher. What's the ending sound in the word teacher? That's right. Teacher. This is a doctor. What's the ending sound in the word doctor? That's right. Doctor.
Page 8. B. Listen, point, and read. 1,
Teach. Teacher.
Teach. Teacher.
2,
Sister.
Sister.
3,
Doctor.
4,
Tractor.
'Tractor.
Page 9. C. Listen and connect. 1,
I want to go to the doctor.
2,
I'm listening to my teacher.
3,
I am looking for my sister.
4,
I am looking for my tractor.
Page 9. E. Listen and chant. Then read.
Teacher, doctor, sister, tractor.
Teacher, doctor, sister, tractor.
Teacher, doctor,
Teacher, doctor,
sister, tractor.
sister, tractor.
Sister, tractor. Teacher, doctor.
Sister, tractor. Teacher, doctor.
The teacher, the doctor,
The teacher, the doctor,
and my sister ride a tractor.
and my sister ride a tractor.
The teacher, the doctor, and my sister ride a tractor.
The teacher, the doctor, and my sister ride a tractor.
Page 10. A-R, I-R, U-R, E-R, O-R. A. Listen, circle, and write. 1,
Park. Park.
2,
Teacher. Teacher.
3,
Nurse. Nurse.
4,
Bird. Bird.
5,
Sister. Sister.
6,
Girl. Girl.
7,
Farm. Farm.
8,
Doctor. Doctor.
9,
Purple. Purple.
10. Now try these. Read. 1,
Shirt. Shirt.
2,
Hurt. Hurt.
3,
Finger. Finger.
4,
Shark. Shark.
5,
Actor. Actor.
6,
Dirt. Dirt.
Were you right?
Page 11. Story. B. Look and listen. Read along. The race.
There is a race from the park to the farm. A girl and her sister race in a tractor. The tractor is blue. The tractor is slow, but it has big black tires. A teacher and a doctor race in a car. The car is red. The car is fast. The road from the park to the farm is a dirt road with lots of mud. Who will win?
New words.
Race. Slow. Tire. Dirt. Answer.
Sight words.
From. Who. Will.